Good morning students. Today we are going to start with the exercise 4.3. In this exercise we will study that how we can make the multiplications easier using some properties. Look at question number 2 of the exercise. Question is solve by using suitable rearrangements. Suitable rearrangement का मतलब क्या है कि आपको इन numbers को arrange करना है in that way so that the multiplication will be easier without calculating it separately. In your mind only you can calculate the multiplication. So for this we will make the group of the numbers which have maximum 5s and maximum 2s. So then you will make the group of these two. So it can be written as 2 into 50. Then the third number is as it is. So multiplication of these is 100 into this number. So then multiplication by 100 how we will do? We will multiply 1 with this and then put 2 zeros at the end. So it will be this. Now look at another part of this. Third part, 495 into 625 into 16. So in these numbers, here we know that 625 is what? 25 into 25. And 25 is what? 5 into 5, and this 25 is also 5 into 5. So it means we have here maximum factors 5 and 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So the maximum factors of 16 are 2. So it means we will make the group of these two which have maximum 2s and maximum 5s in that. So first we will make the group of these two. Then we will multiply these two numbers and we will get 10,000. Now multiply 10,000. This number ends with 4 zeros then. Now question number 3, solve using distributivity. What is distributivity? A into B plus C if we have addition of two numbers and then one number is in the multiplication with both the numbers, then how we can multiply? First we have to multiply A with B, then this plus sign as it is, then A with C. If here is minus sign, then here also comes minus sign. So it means by using this property here, distributivity, we have to break this number into two parts. Which number you will break into two parts? Which is near the hundreds. So 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. Now to use the distributive property, we have to distribute this number to this. Then plus sign, then we have to distribute this number to this. Multiplication of these two, again this number will end with 2 zeros. And multiplication of these is this. Now add these two numbers like this. Look at the second part of this. In this second part, we will break firstly this number. We can write this as 1000 plus 8. Now we will distribute this number with first. Now this number with second. Multiplication of this, it will end with 3 zeros plus multiplication of these two will be this. Now add these two, then you are going to get this number. Now look at question number 4. In this question, we have to again find the product of these by again using some properties. So we look at question 4's first part. Now we will distribute this number, first we will break and then distribute it with 93. Which number is bigger, that we will break with. So this can be broken into, it has 7 hundreds on hundreds place, tens place and ones place we have. So कितने hundreds है यहाँ पे? 7. Tens कितने हैं? 30. Plus ones कितने हैं? 6. It means you have to write the expanded form of this number. Then multiplication by 93. Now similarly distribute this number with this, then this number with this, then this number with this. So it can be written as 700 into 93 plus 30 into 93 plus 6 into 93. Now we can multiply these two. You will get multiplication as this. Add these all. When we do the multiplication like this, then only small numbers we are having, like 7 in our mind only we can multiply by this. 3 also you can multiply by this and put 1 0, and 6 also you can multiply. So these properties will make your multiplication easier. Clear? Now look at the second part of this. We'll break this number. This is at 1000 place, so its expanded form will be 2000. Hundreds पे तो 0 है, no need to write. So this is 30 and this is 2. 30 tens and 2 into 613. So then distribute this number with first number, then this with second, then this with third. So 2000 into this with the second number, then with the third number. Now multiplication of these two you will get plus and this. Add these all numbers, you will get the answer to be this. The question number, now look at question number 5. Find value using properties. Again we had to make the use of some property and to solve this. It means you have not to directly multiply these two or multiply these two. Firstly you have to make the use of some property, then you will solve it. Which property will use now? This number is distributed with 8, this number is distributed with 2. It means you will use your distributive property. तो distributive property का use हमने पहले इस तरफ से देखा था, that this can be distributed to this plus this can be distributed to this. अब हम इस फॉर्म में से इस तरफ आएंगे. ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट पहले से ही हुआ है. अब आप क्या करोगे, इसको कॉमन लोगे, उसको एक बार लिखोगे जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ है, और जो बाकी रिमेनिंग नंबर्स हैं उनको एडिशन के साथ या फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन के साथ बीच में रखोगे ब्रैकेट के. ओके, तो देन विद द यूज ऑफ दिस वी कैन राइट दिस एज 1 टाइम विच इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड 2 टाइम्स, मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन, देन इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट द रिमेनिंग नंबर. ये तो हमने कॉमन ले लिया, यहाँ पे क्या कितना रह गया 8, फिर प्लस ये भी हमने कॉमन ले लिया, कितना रह गया 2. सो दिस विल बिकम देन 10. सो दिस इज देन दिस. अगर आप विदाउट प्रॉपर्टी करते तो आप पहले इसको 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करते, इसको 2 से करते, देन ऐड करते, तो इट विल टेक यू लॉट ऑफ टाइम. बट हियर व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग कॉमन इट बिकम्स 10 एंड वेरी इजी टू मल्टीप्लाई इट विद 10. ओके, नाउ लुक एट इट्स सेकंड पार्ट. Similarly, look at its fourth part. This number 15,625 is here, and in this multiplication this number is here. So it means this number is distributed with this number and this number is distributed with this number. So we will take this number common, we will write it once and then multiplication sign, and then remaining numbers with subtraction here. From this product this number is remaining, then minus sign, from this product this number is remaining. Subtract these two. Then multiply the rest. It will end with 4 zeros. So your answer will be this. Thank you.